During my audience research class, I believe I learned 19 important things that in many ways could enhance my research skills in whichever communication phenomenon I choose to pursue. The first thing I learned is that there's an audience for everything. 2. When studying a subject, we must consider connections, what and who is involved. Study the media systems and the people behind the ideas. 3. A common theme being studied today is how Canadians and the level of their attention is lost easily while reviewing or reading something online. For example, reading an article or viewing a picture. 4. The audience may be viewed as children. They need moral guidance and gatekeepers. They are seen as irrational in their behavior with online platforms. 5. Political regimes may be seen as an entity to morally guide the audience. Political regimes shape the audience through media organizations. 6. Media organizations give the audience what they want to see and hear. Therefore, we may conclude that there is a politics to the audience. 7. A way to study media organizations and the political effects it has on the audience is through ethnography, which is a scientific description of the customs of individual peoples and culture. 8. During one of the lectures, the professor discussed ethnography and also discussed autoethnography. Autoethnography is where researchers attempt to experience the culture the same way as an actual participant. The researcher uses self-reflection and writing to explore personal experiences and connect this autobiographical story to wider cultural, political, and social meanings and understandings. 9. Such autoethnographic studies could be conducted in multiple field sites, including online and offline environments. Offline field sites may include a park, a coffee shop, or school. 10. The researcher must map the social relations of research participants, understand their connections to different aspects in society. Hence, a field site may be seen as a collaboration between the researcher and the individual or group being studied. 11. There are different kinds of approaches to ethnography research, such as participatory action research, which allows you to participate as a researcher with the public and interact with different individuals, learning about their experiences and perspectives on specific topics. 12. Participatory action research also allows you to capture the culture within the context you are studying. 13. It is important for us to note that ethno means subjective, where we take account for our own feelings and biases, looking at our own experience as a participant. 14. Going back to autoethnography, we can see that self-observation is pretty pertinent. The researchers embrace subjectivity. 15. Another side to autoethnography is analytic autoethnography, which focuses on developing theoretical explanations of broader social phenomena. 16. On the other hand, we have evocative autoethnography, which emphasizes that form and content are inseparable. The researchers then are seen as storytellers. They are the communicators and they connect their findings to the larger element of life. 17. The data collected during the study must be organized and coded. First, the researcher must try and understand the meaning of the statements given by the audience, and from there create different themes in which such statements and their meanings can be placed. Sometimes researchers might find negative and positive statements, and with that information, the data may be organized. 18. We learned that the most advanced form of understanding is achieved when researchers place themselves within the context being studied. 19. Finally, we also learned that it is important that the researcher articulate what theory or philosophy they are using to conduct their research study.